G'day. Thought I'd recap on a lemon of a buy. The night I released the video, my mate gave me a call. I missed his call. The message bank was, "Byron, give us a call back." Yeah, righto. So I gave him a call back. Guess what I found? What? He found another Hyundai Elantra. 400 bucks, mate. Yeah, righto. We'll go down and check it out and make sure it's alright this time. Yeah, no. It's all going to be good. It's only got rear end damage. Alright, sweet. So for 400, we picked up another one. Let's see if he got the motor right this time. Also, if you haven't seen my Be Aware of a Lemon Buy, I don't know how to do it. Put the link up there, not sure yet. But I'll add it in the description. Let's check it out, what we brought for 400 bucks. Nice and clean in the engine bay. Relatively new battery. It's got all Hyundai belts. So that's a good sign that whoever's looked after this is gone genuine with a lot of stuff. Let's put that over there. When our mate checked it out for us, made sure there's no iced coffee in the radiator while it was running. Check the engine for blow-by. Oil cap relatively clean. Wouldn't say it's healthy, but let's start it up and check it out in a minute. The engine oil was looking okay. If anything, overfull. What else is there to suss out? But yeah, the service sticker, Penrites. So they've taken care of it. Start it up, see what we get. What have we got? We've got 212,000 Ks on the clock. It's looking alright. It's sounding a lot better. Give it a rev up. No blow-by, which is a good sign. Righto. So we might have scored ourselves a good deal here. 400. Yeah, we'll scrap the car, or what do you reckon? We rebuild the clunker engine out of that, throw some diff oil in it, and enter demo derby. I reckon that's the go. Anyway, engine swap time from the busted in the back end Elantra into the Lemon. Would you guys be interested in maybe a how-to general video, pulling an engine out, putting it into another car? Let us know. I'll make another video. It'll be good to get the white Elantra going again. Then my mate's kid's first car. I reckon he'd be stoked. First car, mine was a VK Commodore. Absolute lemon. But I learnt a bucket load from it. Thanks, Dad. Dirty thumbs up. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Yeah. See you when I'm looking at you.